So if you guys can tell, the sun is hitting my face right now. And that is a beautiful thing, especially when it's sundown, because it makes the entire space nice and dramatic. Granted, this isn't a dramatic house at all. It's in fact very bright and airy, but the sun makes it so. So if you're curious, make sure you watch the full house tour. We have a very modern house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque. Now, obviously from the street, you can tell that it's gonna be a very sleek, minimalistic type of architecture. So let's see what it looks like inside. Over on your left side, you have manual gates to lead to your carport. Now, from here, I can tell that you can fit about 3 vehicles comfortably. Then on the right, you have a garden, and then you have a pedestrian gate. So the moment you enter, you immediately see your massive main entrance. Look at that. Ganda pa ng tama nung araw dun sa pinto, no? But this is your carport. So you have a patterned and textured flooring for your carport. Parang nga naman mas maganda yung traction for the wheels. And because of the irregular shape of it, yung car na magsaslot dito, and very, yun nga, comfortable. Kasi medyo naka-taper yung wall. So when you open the doors, hindi tatama. And then you have access here to your daily kitchen. So, tignan na rin natin since we're here anyways. So you already have your built-in sink, shelving or storage, and then provision for other appliances. And then kita na rin yung tanks mo dito. And then you have access to the formal kitchen later and your staff quarters. But we're not gonna go through there. We're gonna go through the main entrance first, of course. So you have a solid wooden door for your main entrance with a vertical metal handle and a digital door lock with your fingerprint and syempre manual key. Tas may deadlock. Oh, wow. So when you enter, it's just clean white space. You have this beautiful minimalist chandelier that isn't like it's minimalist pero ang dami niya kasi, so it adds like visual interest. And then you can see all the other chandeliers that they have here as well, so it's a similar design pattern. So nice and airy open space thanks to the double height high ceiling and then the fixed glass window over here that brings in all of the natural light, and in this case the light from the sunset. Now that also makes your main stairs visible from the road. And this main stairs really is something to brag about. Okay, so you have your living area over here as I mentioned, and then it's basically one big open space for your dining, which is in this portion right here. So mas lowered the ceiling. But don't get me wrong, high ceiling pa rin to. It's just relatively low ceiling. You have an accent wall over here with your wooden or fluted panels. And then a sliding glass door that leads to the back of the property. Now, again, the property line is tapered. So, mas narrow dito, and then mas maluag doon, which gives you a lot of space to work with. In this case, pwede mo lagyan ng seating, etc. Or maybe even like just your like clothes area where you want to dry things kasi ang ganda ng hangin dito. And then over here, you have your guest powder room with your sink and your toilet. Tapos puro mga black marble yung tiles. Then over here, you have one of the bedrooms. So So it's nice that you have a bedroom here on the ground floor. Again, you have an irregularly shaped, wait lang. Yeah, no. Hindi siya irregularly shaped, akala ko lang. It's, may illusion lang kasi yung property line mismo yung tapered. Pero this is a rectangular room with access to the backyard as we saw earlier. It has your built-in wardrobe over there and over here. And this has an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your partially enclosed shower, and your toilet. So again, this room is great for persons who may not be able to go up the stairs as easily as everyone else, or maybe a granny room or elderly room. Okay, and now the kitchen. So it's a very contrasty kitchen, primarily light colored, but then it's matte black and dark wood for the finishes for the cabinets. So you have your huge sink, by the way, beautiful sink. You have your induction stove, you have your hood and then you have all of the cupboards for storage. You also have your built-in microwave over there and provision for a oven. Or baliktad, I think this is on. Ito pala oven, may provision for a microwave. And then you have your island counter over here with storage on this side. Then a bar on the other. Then you have your space for your ref. Then you have a door over here. It's a regular door. It looks like a swing door, but it's not. It has a doorknob. And this is your service area. So may sink na built in, lots of storage underneath, and lots of shelving up top. So since meron ka namang outdoor area doon, it's up to you what you want this as. Kasi either of them pwede mong gawing either daily kitchen or laundry. So, bahala na kayo. Pwede siyang mudroom, as they say. Okay. Gandang tawa ng araw. Okay, so before I head up the second floor, because that is primarily it for the ground floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more videos like this or more of our listings here in Paranaque, make sure you let us know or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. So basically, here on your second floor landing, and there are only 2 floors, you have this open space over here, perfect for a family area. And again, since it is open, you can see the ones coming in from the main entrance. And then you can also see all the doors here on the second floor. So you have a glass sliding door over here that leads to the balcony right next to your family area. By the way, so this is where your couch is gonna go. And I'm only basing this off of the outlets. Tapos dito yung TV. Since nandito to. So meron. So meron ka shelf dito, like low shelf. That's where your TV goes. And then you can hide the outlets behind the TV. Okay, so these are the doors on the second floor, and we're gonna check this one out first. So we have bedroom number 2. So basically, it's a square room with multiple frosted downlights. Tapos yung sa gitna medyo mas malaki than the other 4. You have natural light coming in from the windows, and then you have your built-in wardrobe over here on this corner, and then on this corner, and then on this corner, you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space. Technically, this is still a little high ceiling. It's closer to the standard height, but still high ceiling. And then you have a big awning window right above your toilet, so no need for an exhaust since that's gonna be good ventilation na. And then right next to that one, we have bedroom number 3. So this is more of a rectangular room with a big rectangular window. You have your built-in wardrobe on that side. Basically, lahat ng walls naman may outlets, so it's up to you how you want to configure the layout. Although, if I'm being frank, the only layout that you really can go for this one is to have your headboard on this wall and then dun yung TV. Tapos dito yung desk mo. Then over here, you have your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space. I just want to bring your attention to the sink though. So this is one of those, like ito na yun, siya na mismo yung sink, madali siyang linisin. And then sa ilalim nun, meron ka ng storage. And this also, of course, hides the pipes. Then you have additional storage over here. So that's closed and then open. It's more open shelving here, and this is a medicine cabinet. So I love these kinds of storage solutions. Okay, so again, this one has an awning window for your ventilation, and also it has the manhole. Na nakabukas ngayon since this is brand new. But yeah, that's just for maintenance. Maintenance. Okay, so going back out, grabe no ang aliwalas niya. Like, it's just bright. And over here, we have the last bedroom. Basically bedroom number 4, aka the primary bedroom. So it's a huge open space. You have a chandelier in the middle. You have cove lighting. Hindi lang halata kasi sobrang liwanag ngayon. You have pin lights all around the perimeter. And then, again, just lots of space. Judging from the outlets, though, this was meant to be enjoyed with the headboard on this side. Tapos doon nakaharap para makita mo yung TV. Kasi doon, ideally, nakalagay yung mga TV. But of course, you're free to change the layout or whatever you choose. You have here glass sliding doors that lead to the balcony at the front of your property. Nandiyan na rin yung outdoor unit nung split type for easy maintenance. And then over here, you have a walk-through closet. So all of the wardrobe space here is open shelving. So naka-display na lahat ng mga nakasabit, naka-fold, and then you have your drawers. Then over here, you have the wet area of your toilet and bath. So you have his and her sinks. Ang cute naman. Cute ng shape. You have your his and her sinks. You have some storage underneath. You have an enclosed shower space. And then your toilet right here. This one does have an exhaust kasi walang bintana. Okay. So that is it for the second floor. Essentially, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-story home. Pero ang laki nung feeling. Like, every room has a pretty big cut. With that being said, before I do a recap, check out these really nicely cut B-rolls. Big though, our family is growing. So if you want to check out our YouTube membership page where we have more of the Presello fam coming in, we have 3 tiers to it. So you have Presello fan, Presello team, and Presello fam. That's the top tier, and you have exclusive access to content, videos, shoutouts, as well as the ability to hang out with us for an online chat. So if that's something that piques your interest, make sure you check that out. This is a family home. Like, if you were starting out in a smaller home and have decided to finally maybe have a bigger space for you and your bigger kids, this is the perfect place and the perfect home as an ancestral house. It only has 2 floors, but it's got 4 bedrooms. It's beautiful. This is an investment. And speaking of which, if you want to see more of our investment-worthy houses and lots, because yes, absolutely, ancestral homes are investments because they are going to be handed down generations after. If you're curious, make sure you check out our website, www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. So you have 295 square meters of lot area and then 380 square meters of floor area split between 2 levels. You have 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, a 3-vehicle carport, a powder room here on the ground floor. And speaking of the ground floor, you have 1 of the bedrooms here as well. You have access to a service kitchen or service area. One is indoor, one is outdoor. You have your staff quarters. And then this is inside an exclusive and very exclusive subdivision. BF Homes Paranaque, by the way. So if you guys are familiar, ito yung tipong dalawang gate yung kailangan mong daanan. So if you're interested in a house like this is brand new, it's nice and bright and maaliwalas. Make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,